Hi, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is David. I'm the Operations Manager here at MAV Computers, and today we're going to go over different ways to contact MAV for support. There are three basic methods to contact us. One is via phone, two is email, and three is if you're a managed client, there's a tray icon that you can use, which we'll go over all three now. Calling in a support request is as simple as dialing our local number, pressing 1 for support, 2 if you already have an open ticket, or 3 if you have a question regarding billing.
Thank you for calling MAV Computers. This call may be monitored or recorded for quality and training purposes. If you are in need of support and would like to create a support ticket, press 1. If you already have an open ticket and would like to speak to your service technician, press 2. If you would like to make a payment or have a question on an invoice, press 3. To repeat this menu, press star or simply wait on the line.
Emailing in a ticket request is probably the most convenient method that MAV offers. Here is an example. We're going to be using Outlook. So go ahead and open your Outlook client, start a new email, and you're going to email helpdesk@mavcomputers.com. The subject line is going to be simply just a quick reminder of what your issue is about, and then the actual description of the ticket is going to be in the body of your email. Make sure to be as descriptive as you possibly can. That way our technicians can help you resolve everything in a timely manner. Once your ticket has been received, you should be receiving a confirmation email that a new ticket has been generated. If you are a MAV managed client, you're going to have a MAV icon down on your taskbar near your clock. Simply right-click on that taskbar and select Help Request Form. A pop-up will come up and it will allow you to enter in the subject, the body, or the issue that you're having. It will allow you to take screenshots. The only required information that we ask is that you provide your first, your last name, your email address, and the best contact phone number. That way our technicians can contact you in a timely manner. Once you hit the send button, you'll get a confirmation that we've received your request and a ticket has been generated automatically on your behalf. Well, that concludes our tutorial for today. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out 512-251-6446 or simply email us at helpdesk@mavcomputers.com. Thank you, and as always, have a great day.